In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer money from the Standard Chartered app. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First of all, before you start, it's very important that you have the latest version available of the SC mobile app. So open up the Play Store or the App Store and make sure that your app is up to date running the latest version available. Having the latest version of the mobile banking app ensures that you won't run into any issues when trying to transfer your money between accounts. Once you update the app, you can go ahead and open it up and sign into your account. Depending on which app region you have, you might find the transfer option at the bottom of your screen, as I'm going to show you momentarily, or at the left through this menu that you can find at the top left corner of the screen. Regardless of which option you have available, you will be able to make your transfer. If you see the transfer and pay option at the bottom of the screen, as I've highlighted here, all you have to do is select it. Like I said, you might also find the pay and transfer option at the left menu instead. When you tap pay and transfer, you will be able to see all of the transfer options that you have available on your account. For the most part, you will be able to instantly transfer money between your accounts, which all you have to do is select which account you are transferring from and to. Or, if you are transferring to someone else's account, you can select between an international transfer or a local transfer. When you select local transfer, you will be able to include all of the necessary information about the recipient's account. And as long as you include valid and legitimate information about the recipient and you have the necessary amount of funds, you will be able to make your transfer from the Standard Chartered app. It will appear under all of your transactions in the Pay and Transfer tab, and you will be able to review it at any time as necessary. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer money from Standard Chartered app. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.